Okay, a lot of my members, team players, are asking me, how can you get Mega Messenger working? So, once you got your email off support with your login details, if you haven't got that, contact support and just say, I haven't got my login details for the Mega Messenger. Next, type in Google, because it'll only work in Google because it's a Google Chrome extension. Type in Mega Messenger Chrome extension and then click on the Mega Messenger link. As you can see here, pops up. I've already got it installed, otherwise it'll say add to Chrome. Click the link. Basically what will happen is once you've done that, you'll get the extension. It will come up. Basically you'll install this extension here. Let's get rid of that window, it's lagging. So open Messenger, log into your Messenger account. Here we go. It's a bit slow, my computer's about 10 years old. Right, so as you can see, it's loaded up and I'm presented with a default tag. This will probably say 0, maybe 1, depending on how many is in your list here. What you have to do, you have to render the contacts. So if you've not got as many as you know you've got on your Messenger, and all you do, you come to the left here and just start scrolling down. And what will happen is it'll keep reloading and rendering the contacts until you get right down to the bottom of your list. That's what I did yesterday, and it took me just over an hour just to render the 2005 contacts. And there's two ways to access your back office. You can either come down here inside the Messenger extension or over here onto the left just below chats. Click on that, you'll come through to the back office, and this is where all the magic's going to happen. So basically I've got a big list here now of people that's in my list, 2005 contacts, and they all start off on the default tag. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how to create a tag.